Hi, it's a pleasure to be here with you today. This is Suseli Udiel, and today we are going to talk about YouTube as educational tool. Do you imagine that YouTube can be or could be educational tool? Yes, it is. So let's talk about it. Okay. Um, Educational tool, that is YouTube. And it says that YouTube has emerged as a powerful educational tool. It has transformed educators and also students. So that means that the students will engage the content that a teacher is teaching, right? So here we have some benefits or challenges that that YouTube has in education. Let's uh, let's see how do you use YouTube in your lesson. Um, how I incorporate YouTube in my lessons. It's a wonderful question because I have recorded a lot of videos during my career as a teacher of English. For example, I have used YouTube to introduce new topics, to demonstrate practical applications, and also here we have an example, and it says that we can use YouTube to teach pronunciation exercises or cultural videos. So every person around the world, or maybe each student, it's going to have access to this video because we can public this video in YouTube, and that's the reason why we can like record videos in YouTube, because every person can get the link and watch those videos. So let's continue. And what are the benefits of using YouTube as educational tool in the classroom? It's an important question because YouTube has a lot of benefits. But today, the two benefits that I found so important are the following. Flexible learning. So that means that students can review videos on their own place, since they can be at home or at school at any time, anywhere. So it means that the learning will be more flexible, not only for teachers, but also for students. So here we have another benefit, that is visual learning support. And it's an important benefit because we know that some students learn through visual contact or maybe watching videos. So it says that videos often make complex information. So students are going to learn more effectively with watching videos. Let's see the next question, that is, what challenges do educators face when using YouTube as a teaching resource? This is so complex because we can face a lot of challenges while using YouTube. So the first is screen time management. Students can get bored watching on screen, so they can get fatigued also. Here we have another challenge, that is equity and accessibility. So some students may lack internet access at home. They have to pay for internet on their cell phones, and also they can like they can they can't have internet at home, so it will limit their ability to use YouTube resources outside of the class. And the last question is, what are some tips for using YouTube in the educational field? what are some tips? What tips can I give to other teachers while using YouTube? So it says that they can integrate interactive tools. For example, they can use platforms like puzzles where you can like have questions and notes. They can also encourage activity building. So it says that the students can follow up videos with discussions and worksheets or related activities to ensure comprehension. So that's YouTube in education. I hope that you can enjoy this tool. Um, you can apply this tool in your classes. Thank you for the attention, and it was a pleasure for me to share something about YouTube. Bye bye.